Hi, my name's Mark Whitmarsh. I'm the Technical Operations Manager for HOBART Service. HOBART Service are the market leaders in the catering industry, providing kitchen equipment installation, maintenance and service contracts throughout the UK. To prolong the life of your Bonnet oven, it's important that you clean it on a daily basis. We recommend cleaning the outside surfaces of the oven, the cavity seal and the bottom door seal for the 20 grids using a mild detergent. Before running a cleaning cycle on the Bonnet oven, it's important to check detergent levels and make sure detergent is feeding into the equipment correctly. I'm now going to show you how to put the oven into a cleaning cycle and prime the detergent hoses. Open the door and remove the oven furniture. The racking should be cleaned separately and the runners can be placed back into the cook chamber, placed on a 45-degree angle, allowing them to drain. On the touchscreen keypad, select the Toolbox menu. Select the cleaning option. Choose the cleaning cycle. Choose the prime, the cleaner button at the right hand corner of the display and then press the start button.